This video is brought to you by KevicProductions, and today is Thursday, so another quick tip tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a graphics card. This is something that I get in my inbox actually quite often, so I'm going to actually just go ahead and cover it in one of my quick tip videos. First off, I'd like to apologize for the quality. This is taken on my phone in a really low resolution, so bear with it, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so in this demonstration I'm going to be using my old graphics card, the GeForce 9500 GT. Actually, this is very old, but yeah, it's one way to show you. I'm going to be using my very old PC. Just I didn't want to tear apart my working or main computer. So you're going to look for a black or a longer PCI unit. Mine is black, I just pointed it out. And that's going to be the slot you're going to put your graphics card in. Now you're going to go ahead and just rest it on top. Don't quite push it in yet. Don't use any force. Just rest it on top. I remember when I was recording this, I couldn't get a good view of the rim, not in yet, but resting on top. I just wanted to get a detail on the fact that you don't want to just slam it in. So here we go, me turning around the camera, trying to get a good view of that, and I couldn't because my camera sucks. Anyway, after that, just go ahead and place your hand on the top and push towards the back of the computer down. Just push it down, it should go right in. And then here I was trying to show that there's a hole there. You can put a screw in and make sure it's secure, and I would recommend that. And now I'm showing you how to take it out. Oh, actually, yeah, just make sure it's tight in there first. Now taking it out, here's what I do. I slide my nail under the metal rim right there, and I just push it out like that, because it's best to take it out from that side of the graphics card. And then you just pull it, and it's out. That's how to install a graphics card.